What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel 4a case in rock candy I picked up at Best Buy for $39.99. Out of 5 stars, this case gets 4.1 out of 5 stars out of 18 customer reviews. It does come in 2 other colors, licorice black and arctic blue. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions of this Google Pixel 4a case. There are various other cases available on Amazon for under $20 by both Crave and Spigen, as well as other brands. I went with the Pixel 4a case by Google because I thought it was the most minimalist, aesthetically pleasing case. I like the colors, I like the sort of fabric finish that comes with the case or comes on the case. What I really like about this box for the Pixel 4a case is that, as you can see here, it pretty much is the exact same size as the Pixel 4a. And if we go ahead and turn the box over to the side here, you can see just how thin it is. This should be pretty environmentally friendly for the most part. What you'll notice here is there is no scissors required. You can actually just peel the tape off the top of the box, and the top of the box should open right up. And if we go ahead and just slide the case out here, we can see that we get it pretty much right on top. And if I just shake the box there's nothing else in there. So we get the Pixel 4a case right on top. Yeah, not really anything else in the box from what I can tell. Here is the case itself. There is a nice cutout on the back for the fingerprint reader. It's this sort of heather gray color with orange bits, and actually on the inside it's this really nice felt brown. Let's go ahead and get our Pixel 4a in the case itself there, and as you can see, it just snaps right in. When you do snap it in place, it will activate some buttons, so you'll probably want to turn the phone off when putting this case on for the first time. You do get a really nice seamless cutout for the camera there. The fingerprint sensor is kind of deep in there. It gets a pretty good scanning of my finger, as you can see there. I'm not really having any issues. You do have access to the very bottom of the phone there, so you're not going to have to worry about missing swiping up from the home button. What you'll notice here is the lip, like I said, is thick enough. You do get some lay on the table design there. One thing that I want to point out is that there is actually a cutout here for the 3.5mm headphone jack. As you can see, yeah, really nice, really great looking case here. It matches the phone well, it fits the phone well, and overall it works just aesthetically with the Pixel 4a, which is sort of minimalist and very simple to begin with. This phone is really not the most durable phone on the planet, so having a case on this phone will definitely come in handy. Because I picked this up at Best Buy, that does make it a big box good. It gets 4.1 out of 5 stars out of 18 customer reviews. If you want to see more unboxings and first impressions, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe so that I am encouraged to make more content. My name is John. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.